Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you wondering how to turn on dark mode on Twitter but don't know how? Do you know that dark mode reduces eye strain, especially in low light circumstances, by lowering the brightness of application window and screen objects? So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. On the bottom left corner of your screen, you will see Sun icon. Tap on it. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Dark Mode toggle bar to turn it on. Always remember that green toggle bar means on and grey toggle bar means off. So that is how you turn on dark mode on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.